Exercise 2.3. Equal sets. Equal sets are equal. All elements are equal. All elements are equal in two sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element in A belongs to B. B means set B, and every element in B belongs to capital A. All elements of A belongs to all elements of B. All elements of B belongs to all elements of A. A and B are equal. This is the every element in A belongs to B. All elements of A belongs to B. All elements of B belongs to capital A. Same. Equal. All elements of A belongs to B. All elements of B belongs to A. Both are equal. Elements are equal. Next one. Note. If A is subset of B, A is subset of B. All elements of A belongs to B. B is subset of A. All elements of B belongs to A. All elements of A belongs to B. All elements of B belongs to A. Implies and implies. If and only if A equal to B. A equal to. All elements of A belongs to B. All elements of B belongs to A. So A equal to B. If and only if A equal to B. Exercise. Which of the following sets are equal? Which of the following sets are equal? First one. X such that X is a set. X is a letter in the word follow. FOLLOW. Next B set given. C set given. This is the answer. Elements in set A equal to elements set A F comma O comma L comma L repeated, write only once. O already repeated. Next W. F comma O comma L comma W. All elements in set A. All elements in set B. Set B equal to what? F comma L comma O comma W. F comma L comma O comma W. All elements in set C. Set C. W comma O comma L comma F. W comma O comma L comma F. All elements of A, B and C are equal. All elements F, O, K, O, K, L, O, K, W. All elements of A, B and C are equal. Therefore, A equal to B equal to C. Okay, 3 are equal. All elements equal. Elements. Next. A equal. Following sets are fill up the blanks in the statement given below with equal or not equal. Equal or not equal. A equal to 1 to 3, B equal to the first three natural numbers 1 to 3 ne. The first three natural numbers 1 comma 2 comma 3. Next C equal to A comma B comma C comma D. D equal to D comma A C comma A comma B comma C comma D. Same. A comma B comma C comma D. Any right. A E I O U. Next set of vowels in English alphabet. Vowels A E vowels in alphabet A E I O U. Vowels also A E I O U. D E F. Okay. Right one by one. A B. A 1 to 3. The first three natural numbers 1 to 3 ne. So A equal to B. First three natural numbers 1 to 3. A equal to B. A E. A 1 to 3. E different 1 to 3 A different, so not equal. C D, observe C D. A B C D equal. All elements equal. C equal to D. D F D A B C D F, the set of vowels not equal. F A F, set of vowels A 1 to 3 different, so not equal. D A B C D A E I O U not equal. Next F B set of vowels A E I O U B, the first three natural numbers 1 to 3 equal or not equal. Next, in each of the following state whether A equal to B or not. A equal to B or not. First, A equal to A B C D given. B equal to DCAB. ABCD, ABCD. All elements of A and B are equal. So A equal to B. Okay na? ABCD. B also A comma B comma C comma D. So all elements of A and B are equal. So A equal to B. Next. A equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. B equal to 8, 4, 4, 8, 16. Here 18, here no 18. Here 16, 4 okay, 8 okay, 12 no 12. Here having 16 okay. Here having 18, here having equal, not equal. A not equal to B. Why? Here 18 element in belongs to B, but 18 not belongs to A. Not belongs to A. 18 belongs to B. 18 not belongs to A. So A not equal to B. All elements are equal, A equal to B. Here not equal. Next. A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. X is such that is positive even integer x less than 10. X less than 10. X below. Here 10 also having. Here below 10. Below 10 means 2, 4, 6, 8. B values 2, 4, 6, 8. X 10 below. Here having 10. Here no 10. In B, x less than 10. Positive even 2, 4, 6, 8. Below 10, 8. Here having 10. Here no 10. So A not equal to B. Why? 10 belongs to A, but 10 not member of B or not belongs to B. Anyone. A not equal to B. X is A. X is such that X is a multiple of 10. Here multiple of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, dash. Multiple of 10, A equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, dash. Here B 10, 15, 20. Here having 10, 20. Here 15 having. So here no 15. So not equal to A not equal to B. Why? 15 element belongs to B, but not belongs to A. A not equal to B. Multiple of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, dash. Here B given 10, 15. Here 15 having, here no 15. So A not equal to B. Here state the reasons for the following reasons. 1 to 10 not equal to x such that x belongs to n. N means natural numbers. 1 less than x less than 10. Greater than 1 below 10. Greater 1 above 10 below. Here having 1 10 also. Here 1 above 10 below. Here also having 10. Here below 10. So observe 1 to 10 not equal. 1 above 2, 3, 4 dash. 10 below 9. Here equal not equal. Why? Reason 10 belongs to LHS. This is the LHS. But set. But 10 not member of RHS or not belongs to this one RHS. This is the RHS. This is the LHS. 10 belongs to LHS, but 10 not belongs to RHS. This is the or member of RHS set. Anyone. This is also not equal. By reason. Why? LHS set represents even numbers. This is the 2, 4, 6. This is a 2n plus 1 means x belongs to n. X belongs to n. N means natural numbers. Substitute 1 by 1. N natural numbers. First n plus 1. 2 into 1. 2 plus 1. 3. Next 2 x belongs to natural numbers 2. 2 2 4 plus 1 5. 3 5. Next 2 3 6 plus 1 7. 2 3 5 7 9. Here 2 4 here even numbers, here odd numbers. LHS set represents even numbers, but RHS represents the odd number. This is the odd number symbol. Odd numbers. This is the 2n plus 1. This is the odd numbers. This is the formula 2n plus 1 formula odd numbers. This is the reason not equal. 5, 15, 30, 45. Here x is a multiple of 15. Multiple of 15. 15, 30, 45, 15, 30, 45, 60. Here having 5. Here no 5. So 5 belongs to LHS set but not member of RHS. Next 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. X is a prime number. X is a prime number. Prime numbers means here 9 is a prime number. Not prime. 9 is not a prime number, so not equal. Next, list all the subsets of the following sets. Suppose B equal to P comma Q. B equal to P comma Q. All subsets, right? Empty set is the subset of every set. Pi is the subset of every set. P is the one set. Q is the one subset. PQ is the one subset. Every set is subset of itself. This is the itself. The number of subsets 2 power n formula. This is the already formula told. 2 power n. N means how many numbers? Elements 1, 2, 2 square. 2 square means 4. Next 1 P one subset, Q one subset, PQ one subset. Pi is the subset of every set. Pi, this is the same. Itself is the one set. Itself is the one subset. P one subset, Q subset. PQ, pi. Next here also X separate, Y separate, Z separate, XY separate, YZ separate, XZ separate. Next XYZ separate. This is the itself subset. Pi is the compulsory one subset. The number of subsets 2, 4 in formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4 in formula. How many elements? 1, 2, 3. N is 3. 2 cubed. 2 cubed 2 4 n. This is the 2 power n. 2 cubed 8. Same. A, B, C, D. Here 4 elements given. 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 4, 4, 16. Here 1, 2, 3. 2 cubed. The number of subsets 2 cubed 8. This is the 1 by 1, right? A right, B right, C right, D right, AB right, BC right, CD right. Subsets. Next AB complete, AC complete, AD complete. Next BC complete, BD complete. Already AB complete. Next ABC, BCD. 3 numbers. ABC, ABD, ACD. Next ABCD also one subset 5. Same 1, 4, 9, 16. 1, 4, 1, 9, 1, 16. Next 4, 9, 4, 4, 9, 4, 16. Next 9, 16. Take all element subsets. 5 is the one subset. This is the same subset. This is the subset of itself. This is the subset of total 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16. Here also 10, 100, 1000, 10, 100, 10,000. Here same right. 2 cubed 8 right.